massive upgrade. Let's rank all 4 milestones in Hunter's Zaganus. Milestone 1 gives off major coast warning vibes. It's simple, laid back, and doesn't really try too hard. Which is exactly why I like it. Easy 7 out of 10. Milestone 2 kicks things up a notch. Gives up the vibe of soldier. Just drop down a school to do their own thing. And the backpack with the broken glass is really cohesive. I give it like an 8.5 out of 10. Milestone 3 takes a complete turn. The glowing vibe.
Thank you.